Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Lutron non-smart dimmer or switch. Okay, so in this situation, I got this light that's going crazy here. This dimmer is not shutting it off. So in order to fix this, right here at the very bottom, there's a little drawer. With your nail, pull it out. All the lights are off. You just got to wait a few seconds, then slide it back in. And now the light should work. There you have it. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.